Moneague College greenhouse. Today we're going to show you across from us where we're currently doing preparation for a new crop. These are our flatbeds here, where you see we have the tractor preparing the land, and each section has its own drip irrigation system which connects to our rainwater harvesting tank.
Okay, good morning. Here we have the bucket system or the earth box, where we have cantaloupe and melon in the system where it has a self-serve reservoir. We have outdoor crops. We have sweet pepper, corn, yam, cabbage, and collard green.
To our outdoor crops, we also incorporate our agroforest. In this, we have different types. We have the lychee trees here to my left, and also an array of coconut trees behind, along with banana and also plantains.
Mombasa grass, the blueberry, and the berenga. Here is the fodder bank, where we use to support the goat rearing system.
Now to our poultry unit, we have the slaughterhouse here, and also behind us are different sections with different batches of chickens. These meat chicken help to substitute for our production by the canteen. For preparation of the litter, we use shredded paper from our offices and also from the library that is combined with our sawdust to help with the litter.
In this organic waste management facility, which is a covered facility, we have our chicken manure that we have for decomposition. We have some perforated pipes for irrigation and aeration, and that is for maximum decomposition.
Then we also go litter, where we have worms to do the vermicompost. For economy, we model food production, food consumption, and waste processing. Our plan is to purify the sewage water to irrigate outdoor crops. This is our sewage plant.